Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best raw dog food that are available on the market for their true quality. It's list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Primal freeze-dried raw dog food. Primal Pet Foods offers a premium solution for your dog's nutrition through their Primal freeze-dried dog food nuggets beef formula. Made in the USA, this grain-free raw dog food is specially crafted with high-quality proteins to create a 100% complete and balanced raw diet for adult dogs. As a pet owner seeking the best nutrition for your furry friend, you can be assured that these freeze-dried nuggets are made without synthetic vitamins or minerals, artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. The benefits of Primal freeze-dried dog food nuggets beef formula include enhanced weight management, reduced stool volume, improved skin and coat health, optimal oral hygiene, and clear eyes. With fresh grass-fed beef raised without antibiotics, steroids, or added hormones, complemented by USDA-certified organic fruits and vegetables, free from corn, wheat, soy, lentils, or legumes, this freeze-dried raw dog food delivers maximum nutrient absorption to support your canine companion's overall well-being. Moving on at number 4, we have the Stella and Chewy's freeze-dried raw dinner patties beef recipe. Stella and Chewy's freeze-dried raw dinner patties provide the exceptional nutrition your dog deserves, combined with a rich taste they'll love. As our number 2 pick, these grain-free patties showcase Stella's super beef recipe in a convenient 14 ounces bag, packed with protein and made from 95% grass-fed beef, organs, and bone. This raw diet isn't just delicious, it also offers numerous health benefits for dogs of all life stages. Your furry friend will appreciate the easily digestible blend of organic certified fruits and vegetables like cranberries, blueberries, broccoli, and beets, rich in antioxidants to support a healthy immune system and overall energy levels. Moreover, added vitamins and minerals promote whole body wellness, as omega fatty acids from pumpkin seeds and fenugreek seeds enhance skin and coat health. At number 3, we have the Northwest Naturals freeze-dried lamb dog food. Northwest Naturals freeze-dried raw diet for dogs delivers a scrumptious and healthy meal option that caters to your furry friend's needs. This grain-free, gluten-free pet food offers an all-natural alternative for dog owners who prioritize their pet's well-being. Made in the USA, these freeze-dried nuggets are crafted with care, ensuring premium quality and irresistible flavors like lamb to satisfy even finicky eaters. The Northwest Naturals freeze-dried raw diet stands out as the number 3 pick on our list due to its wholesome ingredients combined with its convenience for training purposes. The perfect size of each nugget makes them ideal training treats that fuel your pup or senior dog with essential protein needed for daily energy without added hormones or antibiotics. At number 2, we have the Ultimate PET Nutrition Nutra Complete 100% freeze-dried raw veterinarian formulated dog food. Ultimate PET Nutrition Nutra Complete is a 100% freeze-dried, veterinarian formulated raw dog food designed to cater to your canine companion's dietary needs. This high-quality product features a blend of ranch-raised American pork, healthy vegetables, and essential vitamins that help support energy levels, digestion, coat health, and longevity in dogs. The freeze-drying process utilized by Ultimate PET Nutrition ensures maximum nutrient retention, so your furry friend continuously receives the optimal nutrition they require. The delectable pork formula offers not only irresistible taste, but also provides essential amino acids crucial for the development and maintenance of organs and muscles. Moreover, Nutra Complete includes fresh fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants that promote healthy eyesight and mobility while supporting their immune system. The added prebiotics further contribute to improved gut health, which enhances overall well-being. And finally, at number 1, we have the Maev Raw Dog Food. Maev Raw Dog Food takes canine nutrition to the next level with their flash frozen, lean beef protein formula that's specifically designed for adult dogs. As a dog owner, you can rest assured knowing that your furry friend is receiving top quality, human-grade ingredients in every serving. Maev's vitamin-rich organ meat offers essential nutrients while helping improve weight and digestion in your pet. One of the standout features of this raw dog food is its skin and coat formulation, which includes omega-6, 3 fish oils, known for supporting fur health, skin elasticity, joint function, and overall immunity. Additionally, Maev Raw Dog Food contains premium USDA beef complemented by wholesome produce such as potatoes, green beans, zucchini, peanut butter, kale, and blueberries. A real treat for your pooch. What sets this product apart from traditional freeze-dried options is its flash freezing process that not only maintains freshness, but also promotes plaque removal and dental hygiene. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.